Welcome back to another Summary Saturday. Well, today is Sunday. Today we'll be discussing gold. There were 3 potential trades as you can see on the screen. So stick with me while we dive deeper on this in the next few minutes. For our time frame, you can see the strong support and resistance level I've marked up here with a blue rectangle. The first trade we would have taken based off the breakout on this level. So as you see, the 4-hour candle broke out above this level, came down and retested it on the 1-hour time frame for us to go long for about 6,500 pips. And the reason why we have our take profit at this level, because on the daily, if you look left, you'll see this is one level that was very strongly respected. The market has not been to this level in quite a while in gold. Keeping that in mind, we can automatically know that a trade to go short will eventually occur. We just have to obviously be observant of that. So once again, going to the 4-hour time frame, we see that the market rejected this area again. Based on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that this candle fell, but on a 1-hour time frame, you can get a more accurate look of how exactly this went about. So as soon as it broke below at a retest and this candle closed this way, you would have taken a short. I personally would have taken a short below this level over here due to a recent strategy that I'm working on, or that I've been trading on for the past month, 2 months. Hopefully I'll have a video up about it on my YouTube channel very soon, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe. As we see, this level was broken, the market dropped another 3,500 pips, and the reason we took our take profit over here is because, as you know, in the 4-hour time frame, this was the previous level that was very much respected. Your other take profit level would have been on this area over here. As we can see, if we look left, we see that this would be the next spot for the market to go to. If you're able to look at the charts constantly throughout the day, it's easy to manage 2 TPs. But if you're working like me and you have to set your take profits while you're in office, this would be the best way to do it. Rather take the profit first time instead of holding out for the potential second TP. And the third trade, we see that rejected this level, closed below, and then fell again down to the blue level that I marked up here, which, if you look left, is basically just the previous high. Like you've seen in most of my Summary Saturdays, key levels, support and resistance levels are one of my biggest indicators that I like to use. So make sure you backtest it on any pair that you choose to do it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week.